guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we have a surprise unboxing haul sent by Spin Master regarding Black Adam. That's right, the new movie that just came out, starring The Rock, of course. This year's their latest lineup of goodies. Essentially, I'm sure they're action figures, but they're goodies in terms of what they're selling, in terms of the lineup itself. So together we'll be unboxing and see exactly what it's all about. So big special thanks to the good folks over at Spin Master for sending it over. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so this here's our box. Sounds like a lot going on in there. Definitely a cool box, kind of showcases the Black Adam right here on the front. And it says the logo as well on the side. And then you do have the cool looking Thunderbolt on the top here. Let's open it up. Alright, so we have a lot of different goodies inside here. Let's take everything out. Looks like we have a Power Punch Black Adam. Apparently it does punch, kind of similar to the Batman that we reviewed previously, and works the same way. You just go ahead and squeeze the legs together, and it'll go ahead and make the character punch. And it talks at the same time. So I do see that there's an LED in the chest, and you have an LED in the arm itself. So when you do go ahead and attach the fire to it, it'll actually kind of make a glow. So that's cool. Now we also have some smaller ones here. So it looks like we have these 4-inch collectibles, in which they sent us Black Adam, Atom Smasher, and then we have Hawkman. Now again, these here are pertaining to the movie. Now they actually have other characters as well. So you also have Dr. Fate, and then we have Cyclone, in which we don't have here today, but these are definitely cool. Inside here, looks like we have Cyclone, as well as Black Adam. Now these are the 12-inch figures, I believe. So these are significantly taller. And then obviously, you know, side by side, you can see the height difference between the two characters. But it is neat that they do come with other characters as well. So they have Hawkman, as well as Dr. Fate, and then of course Atom Smasher. These are great in terms of posability, as well as being able to go and have them on a display purposes. Now, last but not least, looks like they sent us a pretty cool looking package here. This here is the Hawk Cruiser Patrol. So this here is designed for our 4-inch characters, of course. Now, these here allow you to go ahead and essentially put the characters inside the ship and have them fly about. So it does open up from the front compartment as well as the rear compartment, and over 16 inches. Now this here is cool just because you do get your weapons, and of course you do get Hawkman in addition to Black Adam as well, and great reference towards the movie. So overall, really cool stuff, especially if you're a big fan of the movie series. And I have to say, these here are definitely great for any Black Adam fan out there. And yeah, there you guys have it. So overall, a really cool addition. Thank you to the good folks over at Spin Master for sending this lovely care package. And with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.